students, how are you? Hope you are well and healthy. Today's subject is English and topic is pattern writing. Today we are going to learn two pattern writings. First one is standing line and second one is sleeping line. And also we learn about the letter L. First, we will do standing line. This is a standing line. This is also called vertical line. How you have to make this? You have to draw line like this from one end to another. Now repeat this for 5 times. From this end to this end. From this end to this end. From this end to this end. Look, this is the standing line. Now we will do coloring in standing line. That's all kids. Standing line is complete. Now we learn about sleeping line. This is a sleeping line. This is also called horizontal line. How you have to make this? You have to draw line like this. From this end to this end. Repeat it 5 times. That's all. Students, now we will do coloring in sleeping line. Okay, let's start. That's all kids. Sleeping line is complete. Now we will learn how to write letter L. Firstly, you have to make standing line like this and then sleeping line like this. This makes the letter L. Repeat it 5 times. This makes the letter L. Standing line and sleeping line makes the letter L. This is the letter L. L for lamp. This is a lamp. This is a lamp. Now we will do paper pasting in the lamp. We need 2 different color cutouts and glue. Okay, let's start the activity. That's all kids. Now we will paste yellow color cutouts at the top of the lamp and bottom of the lamp. Okay kids, the activity is done. This is a lamp and my lamp is complete. Okay students, now we revise all whatever we done today. First, standing line. This is standing line. Second, sleeping line. This is sleeping line. And third is the letter L. This is the letter L. L for lamp. Okay, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe, take care.